Hey there gamers! In this video I'm going to show you how to get to the new camp in Gothic 1 Remake. Heading to the new camp can be a bit tricky, especially if you have no idea which NPCs to talk to. In the beginning stages of the game, there are two ways to get to the new camp. I prefer talking to this NPC since it is tied to another quest that helps unlock story progression. Stand in front of Thoris, then turn to your right and follow this linear path. Keep walking until you reach the south entrance. Just before the turn leading to the south gate, you'll see a guy named Mordrag sitting outside this house. Interact with him and choose the dialogue options about the new camp. Eventually he will offer to escort you there. Mordrag will guide you along a specific route to the new camp. He will take care of all the enemies along the way, which can also earn you a lot of experience. If you keep following him, you'll eventually reach the new camp. And that's how to get to the new camp in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.